Hi there. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to get the current date in JavaScript and display it in different formats. Let's get started. Our task is to retrieve the current date and then display it in 4 different formats. We'll be using JavaScript's date object to achieve this. We'll use JavaScript's date object to retrieve the current date, month, and year. The getDate method gives us the day of the month. GetMonth gives us the month. Note that the months are zero based, and getFullYear gives us the year. Here's the JavaScript code. First, we retrieve the current day, month, and year. We then add leading zeros to the day and month if necessary. Finally, we format and display the date in 4 different formats. Let's break down the code. First, we get the current day, month, and year. Then we check if the day or month is less than 10, and if so, we add a leading zero. Finally, we format the date in 4 different styles and log it to the console. When we run the program, we get the current date displayed in 4 different formats. For example, if today is the 9th of January, the output will look like this. For those using modern JavaScript, here's the ES6 version of the code. It uses let and const for variable declarations and template literals for a cleaner syntax. And that's how you can get and format the current date using JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.